Are you being a good boy for me? Because I think you look cute. Stay. Is that the Easter Bunny? You look so cute. Are you scared to move, huh? Let me see you. Let me. Oh, wait. Hi, bro. Can I put him on you? Get back. Can I put him on you? Oh, see, that is not happening. It's not happening. Get the camera to stay right here. Is that possible? Can I put these on? Oh! You are mad. Oh, I got him on. I got him on. I got him on. Let's go back to this one. He's a little nicer. Can I see you? How cute you look, Bogart? Oh, that's the Easter Bunny. Bad Easter Bunny? Good Easter Bunny. Okay, you don't gotta wear them. How about you? Want to try one more time? Oh, no. One more time. Okay. Want to beat him up?